Hi my friends, today we model this part. It seems to be simple, but you'll see that there are some interesting features and solutions. This is the drawing, very few dimensions, as you can see, but I placed points to important corners, lines, and so on. We start by creating this contour with this line at 25. This contour. Start, standard IPT, new sketch, new plane. This is the plane YZ. I draw a line with the length of 100, then up, left, slope, left, and close. Dimensions 12 is this, 30 degrees this angle, 30 is this, and 25 the right side. Fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude, the other direction, 75. We continue with a new feature, cutting this corner, 35 on 30. 35 is in this direction. Face, sketch, rectangle, 30, tab, 35. Finish sketch, extrude, this, cut all the way. Okay. Next is this extrusion, you see? Dimensions are nothing. Why? Because when you take a look from perpendicular on this face, you see a circle. The circle has 4 points to select for applying the real circle. The plane where we place this is this plane. Good. No dimensions. Face, sketch, and circle here, tangent to this line and tangent to this line. Now we have a fully constrained sketch, yes? Even if this is another point and this is another point. Finish sketch, extrude, only this to the face, this face. Okay. Yes? Good. Then we create this cut with the radius 25 the circle contains this point. You see this point or this point. 20 is the distance, point is the contain this arc, and the depth of the extrusion is on this point, my friends, this point. Good. This is the face for the sketch. This is the circle with radius 25. It contains this end point, and the distance is 20 from the center to the superior face. 20. Finish sketch. I place a point here and I apply extrude this face the other direction, which means cut to this point. Okay. Now we place this hole, diameter of 20. Hole, face, center 20, all the way through. Okay. You see the hole. We hide this point, we don't need it. And then we want to create this spherical face, this one, that has only one dimension, not dimension for the radius. But we have to place it coincident with points. Let's do this. We start by creating a new sketch, ending the new sketch, only to have this point. Why? Because we create a plane based on this face and containing this point. This is the plane for the sketch with that circle for generating the spherical face. I project this line. I draw a line here from point to point. This is parallel with the faces. This is perpendicular on this face. And we have a fully constrained sketch so far. Then we create a circle with not dimension radius, and we place the center of this circle on this line. Then we also place, but let me create a point, this point. We place the circle to contain this point. Then a dimension of 30 from this face. 30. Only one dimension is to be added, but it is not significant, you see? Done. I draw a line from this point to this point to the circle, and I still have a fully constrained sketch. I trim half of the circle. I make this as a center line, and now I have everything to apply revolve. Revolve this contour, the axis is known, cut. Okay, the sketch and the plane must be hidden. Yes, now we have almost finished the part. You see here all fillets are radius 4, so I select an edge and I apply the value 4 and I apply them to all corners. You see? Okay. Now I found a problem. You see, this sketch doesn't have a mark here to be like this one, fully constrained. This is not fully constrained. Let's see what is the problem. Oh, this is outside. Yes, I align this end with this end. Finished sketch. Now we have that mark of fully constrained. Now the two holes, this one, dimensions 15, 15, 75, diameter of 10. Let's do this. I select this face for a new sketch. I draw a simple line with the length of 75, placed at the distance of 15, and 15. Finish sketch, hole, this point and this point, diameter of 10 through the part. Okay. We select the material, steel carbon, then the color, general color, to be reflective red, and now I want to apply here mirror aspect, M, and I don't find here mirror, so I activate Autodesk Appearance Library, then I select M and I find mirror, you see, but not to all. I select these three again and I apply M from mirror. This is the result. Comparing the two, we see only the light. Let me change also the light. View, default lights. There is a difference in color, but the part is okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.